They are positioned to take the title of world's largest gold producer in 2018. So how do they plan to get there? Joining me today is Gary Goldberg, CEO of Newmont Mining. Welcome back to the show, Gary.
Hi, Daniela. Great to be back again.
So on track to become the world's largest gold producer. Gary, what's the game plan here?
You know, from our standpoint, we're really focused on the value we deliver. You know, the numbers, we've been pretty consistent at around the 5 million ounce level, and as we look at our plans out the next 7+ years, in fact out to 2035, trying to maintain that level through our investment in exploration and our organic pipeline is really what we're focused on.
And like you said, you're looking to up gold production while at the same time cutting costs. Can you succeed at doing both?
Yeah, I think what's really worked well over the last 4 years, we've invested in projects, expansions, and acquiring another asset that's added 2 million ounces of production at $750 all-in sustaining costs. So that's really helped to refresh the portfolio as we sold off $2.8 billion worth of assets that really didn't fit the portfolio anymore. So I think always looking to upgrade the portfolio has been a big driver.
Which has helped boost the budget significantly by $300 million, correct? And you're working with a budget of 1.2, 1.3 billion?
Yeah, in terms of our exploration budget, we spend about $200 to $230 million on exploration. And then from all this, we deliver free cash flow this past year, $1.5 billion of free cash flow from the business.
With the success, you're also looking to attract a broader investor base here. You've upped the dividend. Did that have anything to do with the crypto craze we saw last year? We saw a lot of attention flow into the whole blockchain technology, into the cryptos. Was it a way to kind of bring interest back?
No, I think it's really, as we looked at it, it's how do we attract generalist investors who usually are looking for a dividend yield payment. On average, the S&P 500, the average dividend yield is about 1.5%. By upping our dividend, and we looked at a lot of things. We looked out 5 years. What's our production profile? What's the cost for paying down debt, investing in more projects, and decided we could afford to raise the dividend to this level. It's going to be sustainable through a range of gold prices, and then look to attract generalist investors who are looking for some yield, people that are looking for stable investments like we've been, and then also looking to attract folks who've got money in ETFs backed by gold to bring it into us because we actually pay a dividend yield versus the ETF that they actually have to pay money to continue to hold.
Are you looking to adopt the blockchain technology somehow? Are you receptive to it?
Yeah, we're looking at the blockchain technology specifically in areas of supply chain, both in terms of how we acquire materials, but also when we sell our gold and send it on to the refiners, using blockchain technology to track the gold on through its product life cycle, on through the refineries. We're working with the World Gold Council and LBMA to come up with ways that might make sense to really, that's the keen part of this technology. It's not supposedly not able to be cracked, and you're able to basically keep a ledger of where things are and make it open to the public along the way. So that's one area that we're looking for the blockchain technology.
Do you feel that's the consensus of the mining industry? Do you feel they're open to adopting blockchain and seeing it's not just for financial services that mining can use it?
It's early days. People are still trying to figure out where it might fit, where's their value. I know people have talked about selling their gold via the blockchain technology, not to get Bitcoin for it, but to be able to have a good record of the transaction going forward.
Gary, let's get your thoughts now on the gold price. Are you feeling good about it?
Hey, I'm not, we budgeted $1,250 gold and we're at what, $1,320 or $1,330 today, so it's definitely coming in better. We've really focused the business on $800 gold to start our planning process, to $1,100 or to $900 to $11, and then up to $14, just to see what it might look like at a higher gold price. But keeping the discipline in the business, we don't control the gold price, we don't hedge the gold price, is really where our focus is.
Gary Goldberg, thank you so much for coming.
Thanks, Daniela.